One of the biggest shortcomings of website builders is that they don't allow you to easily maintain design consistency across your entire site. Take this page for example. You can see there are 4 different button designs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 different heading designs, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on another page, 4 more button designs and 4 more heading designs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Further, if you look at these sections, the hero row backgrounds are different between pages. One is a solid color, the other is a pattern image with a screen over it, and the features rows are different as well. One is spaced more than the other. Yuck! But now, Offsprout solves this problem. With Offsprout design skins, you can now connect all of those elements to a centralized design. In this video, we're going to show you how to create, implement, and manage Offsprout design skins to create 6 different centralized designs. 2 for buttons, 2 for headings, and 2 for rows. Let's get started. First, let's create some design consistency between the 2 pages in this top hero area. I like the rounded button design on this page better than the button on the other page, so let's go ahead and save this design as a button design skin. I also like the heading design on this page better, with regular caps instead of all caps, but I want to make it slightly smaller. So let's just reduce the font size a bit, and then we'll save this design as a heading design skin. And finally, I like using an image background for this row section, but I want to use a gradient screen instead of the solid blue screen. So let's change that. And then we'll save this design as a row design skin. Great! Now we need to use these skins on our other page to give our site some more consistency. So let's save our work, then switch over to our other page. Let me refresh this page so that we now get access to these new skins that we just created and saved. First, let's connect the row section to the row design skin. We go to Edit the Row, open up the Skins panel, and click on our new skin. Awesome! You can see the design of our row section background has completely changed. Now let's just connect the heading to the heading design skin, and then our button to the button design skin. On second thought though, I think I'd like to change the color of this button. You can see that it's currently connected to the accent color in our centralized color scheme. Let's change that and connect it to the action color instead. And then let's update the skin, and then save our work. Now, when we flip back to the previous page and refresh, we can see that this button has been automatically updated with the new change to the button design skin. Okay, now let's work on this features section. This features section is a mess. All of the button and heading designs are different. Let's save this headings design as a new heading design skin. Then we'll apply it to the other 2 headings in this section. And we'll save this buttons design as a new button design skin. And we'll apply that to the 2 other buttons in this section. Finally, let's save this row section as a new row design skin so we can use it on the other page's features section as well and take advantage of that additional spacing. Great, let's save all that. And now let's flip to our other page and refresh so that the new skins appear. We'll connect the buttons to the new button design skin. We'll connect the headings to the new heading design skin. And we'll connect the row to the new row design skin. Perfect! So now we've centralized the design of some key areas of our site, namely the hero and features sections. If we ever want to change the design, we just have to update the corresponding design skins. We can even save this page as a template. Then create a new page from the template. And even though we can still edit the content, those elements are all connected to their design skins. And that's Offsprout's design skins. Just another way to speed up your design workflow building sites with Offsprout. Offsprout. Don't just build websites, build your business.